What's good, family? It's your brother Abdul, and today I got a special treat for you. I got 2 for 1. We're making Philadelphia CheeseSteak. Okay, so for today's cheese sauce, you can't have a Philly cheesesteak without that cheese sauce. You're only gonna need 4 ingredients, and you can find that on vegankingsworld.com. All right, that's vegankingsworld.com. All right, so we're gonna need some turmeric, some milk, plant-based milk, whatever milk, because I know both vegans and non-vegans watch my show, so whatever milk you could get, you add that in, and you get your cheese, and you're gonna get your hot sauce, guys. You gotta get that hot sauce to make it have that cheesy, hot, spicy feel. All right, guys, let's go. All right, guys, add 1 cup of plant-based milk. Add a cup of cheese. All right, so just stir it in until the cheese melts, and then you could add your turmeric. Add about a teaspoon of hot sauce and stir it in. All right, guys, so I'm gonna also add 2 slices of Daya's sliced cheddar cheese. Alright, guys, so the cheese sauce is ready. Let's go. Alright, guys, so now that the cheese sauce is ready, we're gonna make the meat. So we're gonna be using some chunks, some soy chunks, and we're gonna also use some jackfruit, guys. They're both gluten-free, but this is soy chunks, which is made from dehydrated tofu. So if you do not like soy, just grab the jackfruit. All right, so we're gonna just throw it in the pan. So we're gonna just cook this down, guys. I'm gonna sprinkle some steak seasoning, add some olive oil or whatever oil you guys like to use. This is gonna taste amazing, guys. I love using jackfruit. It's incredible. So I'm just making 2 sandwiches today to show you that you can use anything just to make this sandwich. Don't forget, hit the like button, subscribe. Let's go. All right, guys, so I'm gonna add some peppers and some onions while the jackfruit cooks. I'm gonna sprinkle some olive oil on there and some black pepper. All right, guys, so let's just blend in all the onions and peppers together in this delicious steak sandwich, guys. Look at this, guys. Look at the colors. All right, guys, so just add some bread to your skillet and then just flip it back and forth, guys, just to get that little char. All right, guys, so let's just add our bread to it. Grab some of this beautiful jackfruit steak, guys. You can see that. Look at that. Look at the colors, guys. It's so beautiful, so delicious, soy-free and gluten-free. Alright, guys, so let's just add our cheese sauce. So now we're gonna add the soy chunks, alright? Alright, guys, so add some steak seasoning if you have some. I'm adding just a teaspoon so this could taste like steak, guys. Alright, guys, so let's add our peppers and let's add our onions. Alright, guys, so now you just want to mix and bring it in, guys. It smells delicious in here. This smells like steak. It's crazy. Look at that, guys. Look at how beautiful that look. Typically they use green peppers, but shout out to my sister. Alright guys, so now we're gonna grab our steak. I wish you guys were here to just smell. Maybe one day they'll come up with a television that can let you smell what's coming through the television. Alright guys, so it's finally ready. I made a jackfruit and soy chunks Philadelphia CheeseSteak, guys. So let's bite the jackfruit first, because I never did this with jackfruit. So let's just grab that. Look at that, guys. Let's go for the bite. Wow, that's amazing. Now let's go for the soy chunks. Right guys, let's go for a bite. Amazing. Wow, now that Philadelphia cheesesteak. Don't forget to hit the like button, guys, and subscribe. If you like what you see, don't forget, hit the like button and subscribe. Peace.